Like really, how are you? How often do you check up yourself? Are you doing fine? At almost 1 a.m. on this very Saturday, I'm writing this voiceover script with a hot peppermint tea. I just feel the urge to do this right now, even though I am so tired and my eyes are barely open. Recently, I have been feeling some extreme emotion, like sadness and happiness. These emotions are so big that they can just devour myself, and it took me so long to calm myself down. So I decided to do this one day self-care getaway to look for my inner peace. Just let the beautiful day begin, shall we? First, decluttering. It's probably the easiest to do, but it is just so important to do this. When you see a messy room, I think your brain will automatically feel messy as well. So if you want a clear mind, just clear your space. That is gonna help you so much. Yep. Second, stretching, yoga, or meditation. Meditation has been so popular in these couple days. Like there are so many apps or YouTube video out there that you can just follow it. I have had tried maybe a couple times before, but I feel like it is just not my cup of tea yet. But I really like to stretch and do yoga. To me, it is really relaxing to do this low intensity workout, whether in the morning or before bed or after a workout. It is so relaxing and your body is gonna thank you so much after you do all these. So, highly recommended. Yep. Third one, a delicious breakfast. Like who doesn't love a delicious breakfast in the morning? We are all food lovers, right? Having a delicious meal in the morning is just gonna start our day so perfect. Get yourself a delicious breakfast. Go! I bet you're gonna have a great day. Number 4, do the work. Cross out things on your to-do list. I know, we are all procrastinators. We just hate to do the work. They're boring and they just take so much effort and so much time. But if you don't do it, they're just gonna bother you all day long. Finish them and cross those things off of your list. Enjoy the rest of the day with no worries and no deadlines. The last one, number 5. Find a place you like and stay as long as you desire. I really like to go to cafe. This particular cafe in Danshui is the one that I really like because you can just river out of their windows. It is really pretty when the sun goes down. You can just see the golden sunset in front of you. below. The above 5 things are, I think, help me the most when I am feeling down or depressed or just want to have a great time. If you have any recommendation on the things to do, please comment down below or just send a message to me on my Instagram. And I hope all of you are having a great day.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.